Hey, John Lee here. So with the gadget of the week, we got this awesome little Premier Flexi-Grip phone holder. You can see you put it's like a little dragon. Kind of cool. But I'm trying to figure out why it's shaped like that, but you know, I don't know. Put the phone in there, and then you can move these around. Pretty cool. Move the head, really good for any video creator or anybody doing videos or selfies or whatever. Pretty cool. Flexi-Grip. I think I got this at Walmart. It actually works pretty good. The only thing I don't like is that obviously you're limited on, unless you have a monopod or something, you can put this around more for just stationary, sitting flat. But pretty cool.